Imagine AI taking over every job overnight. You wake up and your job is gone, not fired, replaced. And it's not just you, it's everyone. At first, people didn't take it seriously. AI can't replace humans. But AI didn't just learn, it evolved faster, smarter, better than us. And companies made a choice: efficiency over humanity. One by one, jobs disappeared. Teachers, doctors, drivers, even artists. The world became perfect. No mistakes, no problems. But something felt wrong. The streets were quieter. The cafes, empty. No conversations, no laughter, just silence. Because work was never just about money. It was purpose. It was identity. It was what made people feel needed. And without it, people felt lost. Days passed, but nothing changed. People stopped trying, stopped dreaming, stopped caring. So now the world runs perfectly, but without us. So if AI can do everything, what's left for humans? Maybe the real question isn't, will AI take over? But what will we become when we're no longer needed?
Hey, please like and subscribe so you can keep seeing me in your feed.